Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am your Manoj sir. I hope you are all doing well. Let's start today's lecture, which is about the problems based on the reduction formula for integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx. Okay, in the previous lecture I explained that. Okay, if you not yet watched that previous lecture, please go through that once for the better understanding of today's lecture. Okay, let us start. The first problem is evaluate integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine power 6x dx. Sine power 6x dx. Let us solve this. Solution is when we compare to the reduction formula over 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx, we know that the value of n is equals to 6 in here, right? The value of, we know that n is equals to 6, right? N is equals to 6, where 6 is even, right? 6 is even. 6 is even number or even integer. Even integer, right? Then now we know that by the reduction formula over 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx, when we get the last term, that is I naught, if n is even, right? If n is even, okay, then when n is even, we have the formula particularly for that, right? The formula is in is equals to n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5, so on up to 1, whole divided by n into n minus 2, n minus 4, so on up to 2 into, that is 8, right? So in the previous lecture we already found that the value of I naught. The value of I naught is pi by 2. Okay, the value of I naught is pi by 2. Now let us apply this formula for n. Let us apply value of n in this formula. Okay, let us apply. In is equals to, that is I6. I6 is equals to 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 3 into 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? Finally we have to get 1. So 6 minus 1 is 6 minus 5 is 1. So we will end up with this here. Okay. Next, n value is 6 and into 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4. What is 6 minus 4? That is 2. We get 2 here. Okay. Into pi by 2. Into pi by 2. Now let us simplify this, or let us multiply this. That is 6 minus 1 is 5 into 6 minus 3 is 3 into 6 minus 5 is 1, whole divided by 6 into 6 minus 2 is 4, 6 minus 4 is 2 into pi by 2. Now here the last number is 1 by 2, right? Here also we get 1 by 2. Okay, then now I6 is equals to, let us multiply this. Here we can divide this 3 ones are 3 twos are, right? Then 5 into pi. 5 pi divided by 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are, here there is a 2. So 16 twos are 32. So this is a required solution. Okay. Let us solve the another problem for the better understanding. Okay. The second problem is evaluate integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine power 9x dx. Sine power 9x dx. Let's solve this solution. We already know that the value of n is 9, right? The value of n is 9. Then where 9 is odd, right? 9 is odd. Then if 9 is odd, when we get the last integral odd, that is I0, I1, when if n is odd, right? We get when the power is odd, sine power is odd, we get the last integral I1. Okay, right? Then when we have n is equals to odd number, that is odd numbers, 9 or something, we have the formula for that particularly, right? What is the formula? That is In is equals to n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5, so on up to 2 whole divided by n into n minus 2, n minus 4, so on up to 3 into, that is I1. Last integral is I1. In the previous lecture, we already found the value of I1, right? So let us substitute the value of I1. That is, the value of I1 is, we get 1, right? In the previous, in the reduction formula for integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx. In the previous lecture, we did that, right? So here I1 value is 1. We substituted here. Then let us substitute the value of n in this formula. That is 9 minus 1, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 5 and 9 minus 7 will divided by 9 into 9 minus 2, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 6 into, that is 1. You know that 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. Let us solve this. In, sorry, is, we have to write I9 here, right? I9, 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 I9. Okay. Okay. Then what is 9 minus 1? 9 minus 1 is 8 into 9 minus 3 is 6 into 9 minus 5 is 4 and 9 minus 7 is 2. Whole divided by 9 into 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3 into 1. We get here 2 by 3, here also 2 by 3. Okay. Let us multiply this. which is equals to, we can divide this 3 ones are 3 twos are, right? Then 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, 32 fours. What is 32 fours are? That is 128, right? 128 divided by, when we multiply all these things, we get 315, that is, we get 350, right? So this is a required solution for the integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine power 9x dx. So this ends this lecture. Let's meet you in the next lecture with some other problems. Until, take care, thank you, bye bye, God bless you.